Hi Pisceans, this is your love reading for this week from 17th October to the 24th of October. I'm going to look at your energies and going to see what this 7 day hold for you in terms of your love situation. I'll be talking about your feelings and your intentions, and also the intentions of your person who is on your mind, someone who could be a spouse, someone who could be a lover, someone who could be a boss, someone who could be a person you have started dating, or you a person of interest. Basically that person is on your mind. So let's see what's happening in terms of love. So your crowning energy at this moment in your thoughts is the 3 of cups. That is the unwelcome news of a relationship with this person, maybe could be with another person. You are feeling unhealed, very seriously in pain, maybe some of you feeling very upset about the situation. Some of you have not been able to reconcile with the differences you have with this person. So there could be a third party involved, which is causing you lot of trouble at this moment. So you are weighing your options, trying to be clever, trying to not show your emotions, maybe trying to control your emotions, trying to keep the thin line of balance, of patience at this moment. So as you go forward, what are your feelings? You are struggling in this relationship, you are really struggling, you want to talk to this person, but every day some challenges are thrown at you. You are finding it much more difficult at this time to reconcile, at this time to talk to your person. So you are in a situation where you know that you will be triumphant in the end, but you are struggling with the challenges of day to day problems in this relationship. So as you go forward, you are in your Piscean energy of the moon, fearful of what is going to happen in the near future, how you are going to take yourself forward towards reuniting with your person. That is what I am seeing. You want to reunite, you want to have a great partnership, you want to have love, you want to have marriage, you want to patch up with this person, you want a relationship with this person, you want your joy and happiness with this person, you want to reap rich rewards in this love. But you are in this fantasy world, you are in an illusory situation of fear, and you cannot figure out your path. That is what I am seeing. So angels are saying you feel ruined, you feel backstabbed, you feel jealous, you feel uh, you have gone through a cycle with this person, and the ending is very close. Ending of a betrayal situation is coming in. However, the 6 of cups in your intention with reverse 6 of cups, I feel that you are too much into your past and letting your past rule over you. The old beliefs, the old thinking, the stickiness of your belief system is causing an obstruction in your path. I am also seeing that the hermit energy is in challenge. This means that you are not able to figure out wisely about this relationship. That is what I am seeing. So what is your person thinking right now? They feel that this relationship, which was very good, which was having a potential, which was which could have had been very permanent and very committed, is now going through a loss. They are feeling loss in this situation, they are feeling betrayed in this situation, they are feeling extremely sad with the turn of events that has taken place. Their challenge is also the 6 of cups. They are also in this illusory past world, past slides that took place between you both. They also are remembering you with how you had been in the past, how loving and harmonious you had been, how much love you showed them. That's what they are thinking about, and that's challenging them at this moment. So what is their intention? They are like the high priestess, they know everything about the situation. If you have betrayed or they have betrayed, they know it. Their subconscious is telling them to either move away from you or to be with you, because in their action I am seeing that they are expecting an apology, or they will be handing some reconciliation package towards you. They want to patch up with you, and they are listening to their gut instinct. The action will be, again some fights with you, maybe some arguments, but maybe they will find a smarter way to deal with you. They want commitment, they want long term in this relationship, they want stability in this relationship. So they are finding that this relationship is unstable for them, and they want the final 10 of cups with you. They know that you are their person, they know that you are you and them are connected very deeply, and you can give them their 10 of pentacles. But right now they are going through challenges in this, obstruction in this, and something is stopping them from coming towards you. So what's the outcome? The outcome for you is lot of thinking, anxiety, figuring out solutions in a nightmarish energy. That is what I am seeing. Some of you will be taking help of your friends, or some of you would be wanting to start a new foundation in this love, a stronger practical solution to this love. You will look for justice. Maybe some of you will be deciding for final what you want to do in this. It will be favorable for you. So final truth will be seen and final justice will be taken by both of you. That is what I am seeing. Some of you will be taking a legal course, some of you will be splitting with this person, or some of you will be committing to this person. Whatever it is, you are going to take the final decision regarding this. However, angels are saying that you will be in justice and the hangman mode. This is, you believe in rites of passage, you believe in, romanticism, but romanticism is ruling over your head. Romanticism and illusions are ruling over your head. Angels are asking you to look at the truth with a new perspective of the hangman. This is your energy, and balance the scales of this love situation for yourself. You will be able to come out of the Five of Pentacles only by doing that. Five of Pentacles is looking at the light at the end of the tunnel, and not get into the form right now, in the current form of your love relationship, or the past problems that you had of lack and misery. You need to look at the situation logically at this moment. Take the King of Swords energy and look at the truth, communication of truth, openness regarding this with logic, with your head. You need to work it out and consolidate your love situation. But you are in the betrayal situation, you are in the conflicted situation, and you cannot make up your mind. But angels are saying only offer of stability, or offer of stability that will be offered to you. You have to take that up to go to your Nine of Cups situation, the joy, happiness, liberation situation. So take this new offer if it is coming to you, or give this new offer which is going to happen in this love situation. This can only give you offer of stability, can only give you the Nine of Cups, the joy, happiness and fulfillment that you are looking for. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. If you have problems in your love life, if you have problems in your general life, what you can do is contact me for a prepaid and pre-booked reading. I have put the October readings as playlists in your description box. Have a look at it, and if you want more information, you can click on those playlists and see your other readings, or general readings, career readings, things like that. That's it. Bye bye.